Okay, hello, good morning. I haven't been streaming lately, and you might think it's because we have another kid coming, but actually, it hasn't arrived yet. It's crazy. But yeah, it's been like super stressful because I really want to join like the birth of my child, as you would expect, but they're like super strict about joining now because of COVID. So we have to stay indoors and like have no signs at all of having like anything going on in your system, or they won't let you in as like a partner. And then our daughter got sick, and we got super stressed. Yeah, so I didn't really have, and I had to stay at home and stuff. But anyways, at least we'll have one more stream before I'll probably be gone for a few days. But I have been coding quite a bit, and I wanted to show you the progress on this little project. Yeah, so maybe we should just jump into it. So I've been working on this thing inside VS Code, this extension that's part of this whole state management experience, like the visual part of it. But I decided to move it out. So now it's actually an Electron app. And the reason I did that is because I want you to have this consistent experience, meaning that when you install this state management library, you just install it as npm install reactive app, and then you can just start it, like npx reactive app, for example. And then that version you install, it's stuck together. So if I update the runtime or I update, basically if I update the runtime, you also update the editor, because these two are very tightly coupled. And the development experience for me is just insanely much better, because writing complex extensions, especially with a complex UI, like you can't even log out stuff. You have to like stringify, and it's just horrible. Anyway, so let me show you where I'm at currently. npm run editor watch and npm run editor dev. And then we'll need one to, if we need to build a runtime. So basically inside this project we are, and I have this really nice setup, so I'm actually developing it as I'm using it inside an actual application. So here I'm running the watch mode for the backend of the, like what's running in the backend of the Electron app. And then here I'm running a development server for the UI of the Electron app. Which means that when I change the UI, it will automatically refresh inside Electron. And then I have linked this project, like npm link, which means that I can use the whole project now inside a different thing. And if I want to run I forgot to add that, editor. If I want to run the editor, I can just say node modules, Electron, Electron node modules, reactive app, editor out. So this is not something you would have to do, but I have to do this when I'm developing, and I need to install Electron here as well. So let's wait for that, and then we'll fire it up, and then we'll take a look at where I'm at. Because I also changed some concepts for more composability. I didn't know that. So previously, well, let's wait for this. It makes more sense when we can see it. Okay, so let's see if it runs the editor now. Of course, I didn't test this before the stream, but hopefully unable to find Electron app at... Oh yeah, I think I need to build it first. Or, oh no, sorry, yes, I remember now. I have to link again. Every time I do an install, you'll have to link any links again. Okay, so let's run the editor. There it is. I had to change the colors. Like I was using the VS Code colors, so it looks kind of shitty, but that doesn't matter. But yeah, as you can see, we have proper logging here and everything. Okay, so what I changed is that previously there were like 3 different classes here. And the problem is that we started getting into this inheritance model. And then suddenly one thing extended something else. So you got like this longer chain of inheritance, which is not what we want. So what I did instead is that when you drop a class here now, you rather give it capabilities. So for example, I want this to be disposable, or I want to deal with async stuff here, or I want to introduce a state machine here. Let's just give it everything, and then we'll take a look at this. So test, yeah, let's just call it test. Yes, and now this is written into my project here. This is kind of like my application. And now we have the test here. And actually, I want to, maybe we can do that together. Like in VS Code, there was an extension API that opened the file, but now we need to open the file from Electron. A little bit unsure how to do that, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so the way this is structured now is that, why is it complaining? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Shouldn't it find that? Restart TS server. It was just because of the linking, it didn't pick it up. It might be. No, that's weird. Cannot find module reactive app. Let's see. That's kind of weird. It's there. Oh, sorry. I know why. We have to build the library. As I mentioned, npm run build. I should probably have some kind of watching thing there as well. Yeah, so it should pick it up shortly. Or do I have to restart again? Let's see. Let's restart the server. Okay, so now I added like everything to this class. What's it complaining about here? Oh, I added this yesterday. I didn't know this gave an error. Anyways, let me explain this first. So now I kind of threw everything at this. So it's able to do disposing, async, and it also has a state machine. And the way this is applied is using mixins. And this is like an official pattern from TypeScript. And the reason I chose this pattern is because we want the class you're creating here. We want this class to understand that it has these capabilities. Because it's possible to use this other pattern, but then the class you're defining doesn't know about its capabilities, because you're kind of wrapping functionality around it, and then it's only from the outside that you can actually use the capabilities, the way I understand it at least. Yes, anyways, and what I also did is that I changed out how the state machine thing works, and made it more a core thing, a simpler thing. So basically now, yeah, I guess we can talk about that, and then we'll try to fix this thing. Anyways, so when you choose to give your class state machine capabilities, what happens is that you need to define a set of transitions. So this just describes at what state, what other states are you supposed to be able to move into. And then you use like true, or you would do false here if you wanted to do that, or you can do like next state, prev state, and then you can, as you can see here, next state is bar, prev state is foo, and then you can evaluate if you want to move into that state or not, which is kind of cool. And then the only thing you do is that you say like do something, this transition, and then you transition into whatever. And then this returns true if it actually does that transition, which is super nice. Yes. So that's how the state machine API works here. But anyways, let's start fixing stuff. Let's see. Okay, so we have that thing. What does it say? Interface test cannot simultaneously extend types disposable and async. Name property is are not identical. Why does it say it's not identical? Because what we have here is that in the runtime, in the mixins, I'm using is disposed. Oh, it's probably because I'm saying that it might be here. That's not right. We have to do this so they're actually the same. Cool. I think that's it. Let's try to build it again and see if it still complains. So it's kind of a little bit confusing working. Like I have the core library here, and then I have the demo application, and then I have the editor on top of that. So you kind of have to, yeah, now it's happy. Cool. Okay, so what I'm like doing now, I'm testing the actual experience of this. So I really, or just gotten into actually testing the experience. So we are actually going to build something here. And as I'm doing that, whenever I get into, wow, this didn't feel quite right, I fix it. So let's try to implement this thing. How do we do that? Electron open file in VS Code. That didn't help me. You can open a file folder through shell commands from the Electron module. Okay, so maybe I can just use code. Like Mac terminal code file. Oh, this is nice because the Electron app is actually running in the context of the application, which means that it will actually, well, it should. Let's see what happens. If I say code tsconfig JSON, nice. This is exactly what we want. Cool. So we should be able to do. Okay, let's first find the thing. Let's see if down with this one. Let's find where did I have that? Well, it's not in runtime, that's for sure. Let's go to the editor, client. We have the backend of the client on open class. This is it. Yeah, send class open. So this is the backend of the editor client, like what you see in Electron. And this sends a message which goes to the actual Electron part of it, this backend. So we can find it here, editor, open, yeah, class open. Here we can see I have the code. So what we want to do here is do this shell thingy. Where was it? Open item. Well, not open item, but okay. Electron run shell command. I wonder if it runs it. Oh. Okay, I guess we can just do that. We can just spawn a process that does it. Okay, let's try this. Let's see what happens. So we'll bring in import spawn from JAL process. Not span, but spawn. Let's see. What we get here is message data class ID. We need this. Okay, so what we want to spawn here, I wonder. Yeah, I guess it spawns it on the same path that the actual app is running. So let's do code and then slash argument for it. Okay, I guess we do this. That's the argument. Oh, we have to point to the path. Let's see. Code, and we want to do like relative. So I think we're going to use join here. Don't I have path here? Import as path from path. And it's so much nicer to work with path than like in VS Code, you have this URI concept. And it's just, yeah, a bit of mental overhead. Let's see, path, join, and then we want to go to the app dir, and then we want to open that thing. We don't want this anymore. Okay, so now, so of course, this depends on the user actually having code available in their terminal or in the shell. But I do, so I guess like in a proper version here, it should give an error if it's not able to run the command. But yeah, let's see what happens here now. So I think I need to close it and start it again to get the latest version of the actual Electron part of it. And then if I click this, it actually worked. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Dude. Oop. There it worked. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so we got that working. So what should we do here? I think we should try to delete some stuff here. Yeah, so this is also something I want. Like, I want you to have the ability to like delete the file here. And then it will automatically remove. Yeah, this is a tricky one. And it requires quite a bit of code. I haven't decided yet how much work, like adding things is much easier than changing and removing things. Like in terms of in the code. So if I were to remove this file, we would have to remove test from index, and we would also have to remove test from the metadata. And adding it is super simple. But removing it requires a bit more work. So I'm like contemplating on, in the first version, maybe we shouldn't have that kind of stuff. But what we do need, so like in the first version, if you want to remove something or rename something, you will have to like manually deal with everything yourself. But then at some later point, we can like add that if it's worth it. But what I think does not happen now is that if I add another observable here, foo equals bar, I don't think it, oh, it does update. Ah, that's cool. Great. Yeah, and what we can do now, we can actually run this. So if we import container from app, and then we say container get singleton test, and then we'll have to, I don't know if this actually updates. No, we'll have to, oh, I haven't even started it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should see some stuff happening here, but we're not. Oh, what the hell is this? Reference error. Dev. Oh, I think I know what this is. Because I installed Mobex here. This is a different version. Yeah, how do I deal with this? Because we have... Okay, maybe I just need to have the same version. Does Parcel automatically deal with this? No. Okay, I'm going to close these and I'm going to delete the node folder. Then I'm going to do an npm install. I think I just need to have the same version. Let's see how much is the time. Now we have to remember to link again. npm link reactive app. Okay, let's start it again. And then we'll try to refresh. Then I forget to npm start. Might have to delete. If this doesn't work, we'll try deleting the cache. Oh, god damn it. It's so annoying. Delete. If this doesn't work, I have no idea what's going on. Then we'll have to do a deep dive. Oh, god damn it. What the hell is this? Parcel require dev is not defined. Is it parcel? Oh, maybe it's my version of parcel. Removing bubble RC. I don't have that. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Node process var. Inlining runs before I think that. I wonder what the hell this is. Let's see if it's something. What the hell is this? This doesn't seem to be Mobex related. It seems to be Parcel related. But which version of Parcel am I running here? Parcel bundler 1. Goddamn environment issues, so annoying. 1.12.4. Okay. Oh, goddamn it. What the hell is this? Nice errors. Dev is not defined. But it has to be like a die. Let's see. Which version of Mobex am I running? What I'm afraid of is that... Oh, wait. I think I need to remove Mobex from here, actually. That's the problem. So let's close that down. Let's delete the cache. Because we're not actually going to use Mobex. Yeah, that's the thing. We're using, like, reactive app is exposing Mobex. And I think because I'm doing the linking, there are duplicate MobX files, and that's what's causing the issue. Let's close this down. So yeah, after this stream, I might actually be gone for a couple of weeks from the stream, but hopefully I'll get some time coding on this in the meantime. Like, the goal now is to basically work with it and remove these tiny annoyances. And then I'll have to write some documentation. And then let's see, start, run editor. Yeah, but it's kind of getting to a place where you can play around with it, which is nice. So I'll have to publish it as an alpha thing or something. I was actually thinking about, like, change how I... God damn it. What the fuck is this? Oh, MobX, does this one install MobX? MobX React Lite? I'm pretty confident it's because I have 2 versions of MobX. MobX? No, I don't. God damn it. Oh, I can't believe we get stuck at fucking environments. Ah. Like, I have no idea what to do with this. I just hate this. You can add globals. Yeah. Am I the first person with this issue? I can't believe this. Like, I have the complexity of the linking, but this is so weird. This wasn't happening on my laptop. I had the exact same setup. Well, probably there's something different here, of course, but I basically had the same thing. Where do we go from here? I can't believe we're ending the stream with fucking environment issues. Okay, so the thing is, parcel, like, MobX expects this dev variable to be there, which I find really strange, because this is not a variable typically exposed by these kinds of tools. So they're kind of, how can they just have this global thing? Are they actually... Yeah, like, they just expect it to be there globally? It has to be a... Maybe it's related? No dev. I wonder how they actually... I get dev is not a... Oh, here's something. Need to set bubble RC. God damn it. What the hell is this? Somewhere they have to set this. Here they have this dev thing. Like, how the hell can they expect that to be available? Global, declare. They say it's... But nowhere is this thing defined. Oops. Utils, global. No dev here. Do they expect it to be injected? Parcel, inject, environment variable. Valid, okay, .env. How do I define these files? .env. Okay, dev, true. I don't know, something like this. No, I don't know. Maybe I need to remove the cache. The end of... For fuck's sake. What the hell? I think it's injected by the build system of Mobex. Yeah. But why is it there? Like, it's maybe there's something else going on, so maybe it's not supposed to call that code or something. So maybe it's actually throwing an error when we do this stuff. TSDX. But I have the exact same setup on my own computer. But it makes observable. Everything's okay up to, well, this point. It tries to grab a module. Is this like a try catch thing? Or does it actually try to grab the import die from errors? Why does it want it to die? Is it make observable that's causing it? Die. Huh. I have to stop the stream. God damn it. I was so excited to show you this stuff. And then, oh, goddamn, typical fucking environment. Goddamn. I've been working with Rust lately, and it's such a joy. Like, everything's ready for you. Like, there's a thing called Cargo. That's what you use to set up a project. It has monorepo support, so you can like work with libraries with runtime. Not runtime, but like binary projects, meaning like actual apps. and like everything's taken care of you. There's no surprises. JavaScript is such a complete mess. Like it has to be this way, but it's super frustrating. Yeah, I have no idea. The source files instead of the build. Oh, that's the thing. Like I haven't made any changes here compared to my local like on my laptop. There aren't anything different here. But when did this start to happen? This started to happen instantly, didn't it? Oh, and I'm like stuck. I have no idea where to go from here. And why didn't this help? PM. Yeah, I haven't tried. I've heard of PM, but I haven't tried it. Maybe I should do that. Use the built-in process. Don't import process from process. Accessing directly is not important. Accessing specific process. API will provide the expected value. Sometimes. Oh yeah, but that's the thing. Like now I'm exposing it behind process. I'm not creating global. Parcel exposed global variables. Parcel serve global my variable. Let's see. My variable? What does that mean? Expose. Oh, this must be something else. Oh, expose modules. I assume this is not like. God damn it! Why does Mobex have this expect this global thing? What what if I just do? Like what would happen if I did like this? No, it's probably ran after I start importing stuff. Or what if I do this? Dev is not defined. Window. There's something fucked up with the build here. Yeah, probably not parcel. I have no idea. God damn it. God freaking damn it. So this is running the client. Like this is the runtime. And import from Mobex. Here I have Mobex. For frick's sake. And I can't, like, nobody has been in this situation before. But it makes total sense that it yells about it, because Like that, this is not actually defined. But I'm wondering, is there some other reason for it to trigger? So like maybe we have an error in MobX and then it points to this code that it typically doesn't do because we have some weird issue. So this would be like a bug in MobX or something. Oh, God damn it. God damn it. I'm just going to sit there and curse until it fixes itself. So for some reason it calls die here. Why does it call die? Or no, it tries to import. Oh yeah, that's it. It imports die. Yeah, that's the thing. Like it does a bunch of requires because yeah, that's what's happening. So somewhere here we are like requiring container here. And then that is requiring our reactive app, which again is requiring our reactive app library, which again is requiring MobX, which again is requiring certain modules within MobX. And then it gets to this file that defines dev, but it's not there. It just isn't. And I don't understand how it can expect it to be there. Oh, wait. I think, yeah, wait, you're onto something. It's importing the source. Yeah. Or is this just... no, that can't be. Yeah. I think that's it. Is there something in here that... Ooh. How could it import from the source? Is that... Wait a minute. How is this require MobX? Is it the same here? Require MobX, mixins. Yeah, it's just requiring MobX. Maybe there's like some kind of... What? Dist? Homepage, main, dist index. Oh, dist, MobX. How the hell can it point to the source? What? How is that possible? ES. Okay, I'm super confused. Here, when we do index.js, why does it say .mobx? Okay, anyway, so it's trying to grab MobX, but for some reason it's actually resolving it to be MobX. Source MobX. Why? So I think maybe it is parcel. It's not grabbing the correct version. And why the hell does even MobX publish with its source? Maybe they fixed it. Maybe this is an actual issue. No, 603, latest version. Yeah, parcel try to load and parse source from source map files. Does not find dev and thrown error. Yeah. But why doesn't anyone else have this issue? And why don't I have this issue on my laptop? Why is it only here? Makes absolutely no sense. All modules. I'm just going to try to remove some stuff from MobX. Let's remove that one. Yeah, building MobX ESM, it says now. Okay, that didn't help. Oh, that's that one, maybe. Does it say? So remove the cache again. Yeah, what do you know? Removing the source field in package.json actually fixed it. And there we got some state. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should just report an issue on this. Well, I don't really have a good reproducible of this. I'll just write. I just want to. Yeah, I don't have a good reproducible for this. I don't have time to set up stuff. But I do wonder why parcel was so. Is there some kind of Is this because I'm like, I have some kind of feel here? By the way, this is only for dev. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah. Anyways, that's something else. At least we can continue working on the app now, or like the library thingy. Okay. Anyways, I have to go. But what we're going to do, to summarize, what we're going to do moving on here, we're going to test the experience. So we're going to start adding some like more classes here. Test to like, I'm going to. This should be a disposable. Blah blah blah. Then I'll link this here. And then we'll see stuff happening, and then we'll see. We're going to try to build something. We did start building the existing app, like the family thingy. So maybe we should try to use that as a reference, and then we kind of build it up here again. Yeah, because it's nice to have like some kind of valid code, not just throwing a bunch of tests at it. And we're not going to focus on UI because that takes so much time. We're just going to focus on the experience itself. So like you see, the coloring is really bad here. But yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Yes. Okay, cool. I'll talk to you later then. And thanks for staying with me through this frustrating goddamn environment stuff. And yeah, I think maybe I'll just throw out a tweet about the parcel thingy, parcel with MobX and the source field in package.json. See if anyone has experienced the same, because yeah, I don't have time to create that issue, which is kind of sad. Like, you want to have a good issue, and I understand why MobX wants a good issue, especially having a reproducible thing. But it actually prevents people from actually writing issues as well. Yeah, something to reflect on. Anyways, bye for now, and I'll talk to you later.